Welcome to the Clipart channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to search for a word on Microsoft Word. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your Microsoft Word. After that, open up any document. After open the document, just click on Home tab, and then at the top right corner you can see a option which is Find. Just click here. You can also open the function by pressing keyboard. You have to just press Ctrl plus A from your keyboard. If I do it, Ctrl F, and that's it. You can see it's opened successfully. Now you can find or search any word from this document. Here you can see a paragraph. Suppose if you want to find all the farmer word from this paragraph, just put the cursor here, and then if I type farmer, and that's it. You can see all the farmer words are showing, and you can see it's highlight with yellow color. Also, if I type another word, just type they, THEY, and that's it. You can see there are only one they word in my document, and that is how you can search for a word on Microsoft Word. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.